amid allegations that the ongoing violence in Manipur has been triggered by the dynamics of narco-politics. The neighboring state of Mizoram seems to have become another casualty of drug trafficking. An analysis of media reports reveals that 16,127.60 kilograms of drugs, including heroin and other contraband worth over rupees 78 crore, have been seized in Mizoram since May 3rd. When ethnic clashes erupted in Manipur, suggested that trouble in Manipur has forced the drug smuggling network to focus more on bordering Mizoram. The volume of heroin recovered in Mizoram was 20 kilograms in 2020 and 35 kilograms in 2021 between May 3rd and June 16 in 47 days. Nearly 10 kilograms has been seized in the state. It may be mentioned that in December 2022, Mizoram Chief Minister Mizoram urged the UN to take proactive action steps to curb the illegal drugs trafficking and smuggling of various contraband goods from Myanmar.